Hi guys, my name is Andy, and today we're going to work on the first 10 questions of the math test with calculator section of the first practice SAT test on the CollegeBoard website. Alright, let's begin. Number 1, John runs at different speeds as part of his training program. The graph shows his target heart rate at different times during his workout. On which interval is the target heart rate strictly increasing, then strictly decreasing? Alright, for this one, we don't need a calculator. It's just asking where it increases then decreases. So it's not 0 to 30 because from 10 to 30 it doesn't do anything. It just stays the same. And we know that's 40 to 60 because it increases from 40 to 50, then decreases from 50 to 60. That's what the answer is B. And number 2, if y equals kx where k is a constant and y equals 24 when x equals 6, what is the value of y when x equals 5? So 24 equals k times 6. So we know that k is 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. That's why the answer is C. Alright, next one. In the figure above, lines L and M are parallel with lines S and T are parallel. And lines S and T are parallel. As the measure of angle 1 is 35, what's the measure of angle 2? So 1 plus 2 would be 180 because this guy, 1 and this guy is the same. So 180 minus 35 is 145. That's why the answer is D, 145 degrees. Alright, number 4, if 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 14, what is the value of 8x? So 16 plus 4x is 10 plus 14. So 4x would be 8, and x would be 2. It's asking for 8x, so we would do 2 times 8, which is 16. The answer is C. Alright, next one. Which of the following graphs best shows a strong negative association between D and T? Alright, since it's strong and negative, we want the dots to look like that. And the only one that fits it is D. That's why the answer is D. And number 6, a hospital stores one type of medicine in 2 decagram containers. Based on the information given in the box above, how many 1 milligram doses are there in 1 decagram container? Okay, so 2 decagrams is 20 grams. So that would make and 20 grams is 20 times 1,000 milligrams, which is 20,000 milligrams. So the answer would be D. Okay, number 7, the number of rooftops with solar panel installations in 5 cities is shown in the graph above. If the total number of installations is 27,500, what is an appropriate label for the vertical axis of the graph? So we're assuming that this, if we add all this together, we're going to get 2750. I mean 27,500. Oh boy. So we know it's not gonna be tens because that's even if it's like 90, like it's not gonna go up to 27,500. It's not gonna be hundreds. I'm gonna say it's thousands. It's not gonna be 10,000 because then this guy would be 90,000. That's too much. That's why the answer is C. And number 8, what value of n is n minus 1 plus 1 equals 0? Okay, so n minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. That would make the absolute value of n minus 1 equals negative 1. The absolute value of anything can't be a negative number. That's why it has to be D. And number 9, A equals 1052 plus 1.08. Which of the following expresses the air temperature in terms of speed of sound waves? Okay, so we had A equals 1052 plus 1.08 T, so A minus 1052 equals 1.08 T, so T would be A minus 1052 divided by 1.08, which is A. And number 10, which of the following temperatures will the speed of the sound wave be close to 1,000 feet per second? Okay. A is the speed of a sound wave and T is the temperature. So if we do 1,000, we're going to shove in 1,000 in this equation. minus 1052 divided by 1.08. This is where you'd use a calculator. And I got negative 48. Approximately negative 48. I got negative 48.15-ish. So the answer would be B. Okay, thank you for watching my video. On my next video, I'll be working on the next 10 questions. Please like and subscribe.